Good morning from Stockholm, Sweden, more specifically the neighborhood of Gamla Stan. It's Stockholm's oldest neighborhood. It's on an island in the middle of the city, and as you can see, it's quite beautiful with colorful buildings and cobblestone streets. But as you've probably seen, I have been needing a haircut, so I have found what is supposed to be the best barber shop in all of Sweden. So we're going to go there right now and let them give me a haircut. I don't believe the lighting was good enough for the video to pick up the room I was just in. That's where all the crowns and scepters and stuff like that were. But now I'm heading up to the royal apartments. Let's see what that's like. This is a really impressive building. The architecture is amazing. But the chair you see behind me is where the king would open Parliament each year. Those were the royal apartments, home of the royal family here in Sweden. It's one of the most magnificent palaces I ever walked through. I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did, but I'm going to keep walking around and exploring Gamla Stan, and I'll check in with you soon. The magnificent church you see behind me is the Riddarholmen Church. It's the final resting place for Sweden's monarchs. Let's go inside and have a look. Well, that was interesting, being in a church full of corpses, but I enjoyed it. It was a very beautiful church. But I'm going to walk back over the bridge into downtown Gamla Stan and see what else I can find. I wanted to show you one of the cooler streets here in Gamla Stan. You'll see people walking around. There's little restaurants that have tables out on the street. Eat at. It's really really relaxing place. You got lots of souvenir shops. Sweatshirts. Looks like we got some handmade Swedish crystal. Someone taking a picture. So you've got these little alleyways everywhere, narrow alleyways. Check out this tunnel. Just ate at that place, Jerusalem Kebab. It's really good if you come to Gamla Stan. They had really good food here in Sweden. Every meal I've had has been fantastic, and the prices really aren't that bad compared to the rest of Scandinavia. Souvenir shops. Tons of souvenir shops. 7-Eleven. Belgian bakery. It's a really beautiful city. It's very peaceful. You don't see much yelling and screaming. Everybody's very polite. It's very clean. See a Ben & Jerry's. I know where I'm going next. TGI Fridays. There's Ben & Jerry's. Another souvenir shop. They're everywhere. Really cool looking restaurant. Ice cream. They basically have a little bit of everything, but just wanted to show you guys this main street. Recommend everyone come here and check it out. Here we are at the narrowest street in Stockholm. Let's walk up through here and see what it's like. It is quite narrow, as you can see. They have these cobblestone streets all over Gamla Stan. They're beautiful to look at, but they're hard on the feet if you got bad feet like I do. See how beautiful it is. It's a very unique place. Not a lot of places like this. I'm here at Ben & Jerry's. I'm gonna get some ice cream, get a little fatter than I already am. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoyed the tour of Gamla Stan. I'll see you in the next video.